Hello everyone, in this video we will introduce a new emergency radio TR627. As you can see, this black radio is a new emergency radio with a relatively compact size, which is very suitable for emergency kits and camping backpacks. TR627 has built-in 1200 mAh lithium battery, which can be charged through the Type-C interface and hand clock. It can also be powered by 3 AA batteries. Various power supply modes are prepared for emergencies. The USB interface can charge mobile devices such as mobile phones, ensuring that you can communicate with the outside world in time. AM FM NOAA 3 bands receive radio station information, which is an effective means to obtain information from outside the world in an emergency. Emergency light and SOS alarms are also indispensable functions of emergency radios. This emergency radio discards the efficient solar charging, automates the hand clock charging, and saves effort when turning the hand clock, allowing you to more easily to use the handle to charge in an emergency. If you are preparing a radio for your emergency backpack, you can consider Retekess TR627.